Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm good too. So tell me, what are you guys doing at home? Of course, apart from making a lovely short film, what are you guys doing?
I think सबसे basic तो everybody is doing that. It is झाड़ू पोछा and
Yeah,
बर्तन and खाना बनाना. I think that takes a lot of our time.
yeah.
And apart from that, I have started painting again.
Oh, that's great.
And when I was in school, I used to paint a lot, and in between, on and off chalta tha, but I somehow never found the time for it. I think this
Okay.
is a great time to, go back to your hobbies and try to learn new things. So I also learn newer techniques, online courses like that. So yeah,
So is that painting actually painted by you in that short film that
yeah,
Vatsal gets? Oh,
yeah.
that's great. That's nice. And Vatsal, what about you?
Well, I've been making the best of this lockdown period at home. I've been reading. I've been learning how to play a flute. Writing some stories, short stories. We've been making. We made this short film. Kaha to
Yeah.
tha. Apart from that, we've been regularly thinking about what next funny videos to be made because I mean people are enjoying our funny videos as well.
Yeah.
So we've been busy.
Yeah, yeah. And definitely, and I want to ask whose idea was it, Kaha To Tha? It's receiving so much love and it's so relatable actually.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Actually, Kaha To Tha, the whole thing, it's a very dear friend of mine, Manoj Chatwani. We call him Bobby. He actually sent me this one script. He's not from the industry. He just randomly wrote one script,
Okay.
thought, idea of Kaha To Tha. And he shared it with me. And I was like, wow, it's so amazing. It's so relatable.
Yeah.
It's not over the top. It's not too much. It's so subtle and sweet. Which I told Ishita, I said, Ishita, बहुत अच्छा है. So she's like, yeah, let's shoot it. So we were like, चलो shoot करते हैं. So initially जब हम सोच रहे थे हम लोग को लगा कि ऐसे ही फोन थोड़ा बहुत शूट कर लेंगे और हमारे सोशल मीडिया पे डाल देंगे. But then we thought that why don't we make it as a proper short film,
Yeah.
approach it up very professionally. So what we did is that we don't have any high end equipments at home. But usually हमारे जो phones है, they are pretty high quality. They have a high
Yeah.
quality result. So we shot it with a phone. We were just two of us. So what we did is that we used to put the phone, we used to come back to the scene, फिर वापस जाकर कट करते थे, फिर कहीं देखते थे किसी का सर कट गया है, किसी का हाथ कट गया है. So ऐसे बहुत retakes हुए. After that, what we did is that whatever footage we got, we sent it to the editor who's in Goa.
Okay.
So he got the footage, उन्होंने edit किया, फिर वापस भेजते थे, हम re-edit करते थे, देखते थे. Then we got in Mehul Vyas. He's the director of Tanaji the film. So
Yeah.
we got him to do the background score for Kaha To Tha.
Okay.
Then we got a professional grading and DI. So हमने बहुत मेहनत की है and then I have another. We got professionals to do posters also and motion posters
Yeah.
also. So we made sure that we release it like film. So I didn't know, but somebody pointed out that technically this is one of the first film released in the lockdown. Like wow.
Lord. Yeah. Even here, I read a lot of comments that people are saying, please release more films. So they are like wanting more of these short films from you too. Ishita, you tell me, how was your entire, experience and procedure of shooting at home, from home? How was it?
I mean, firstly, though, I want to thank all the fans and all the people who are watching it and giving us
Yeah.
such good reviews. I think the reason why we even started doing that was because of them. We started with making short, funny videos.
Yeah,
And हमें
I
इतना अच्छा response मिला. Then we were like, okay, let's do this. हमारे लिए भी it will be something that we are creating. People are going to be entertained, and that's how the journey started. And when Vatsal told me the short film, I really liked it. It was very simple. It was not something which was major. बहुत ही simple, sweet story थी जो हम यहाँ पे shoot कर सकते थे. And it required only the two of us. So we were like, okay, let's shoot. And honestly, just platform पे launch हुई and the way it got released, I didn't think it was all Vatsal. I have to give credit that he really worked hard. Like all the time, being on the phone and coordinating everything, getting all his friends to do this. I think the whole credit goes to him, and I really enjoyed. In fact, हमें काफी लोगों से मतलब messages आते हैं कि आप part 2 बनाइए. We want to know what happened
Yeah.
with those characters. उनको आगे लेकर जाइए. So this is something we're still talking. We probably would do something with the same characters, but we are very very happy with the response of the film and all the things that we are posting right now.
Okay. And you know, y'all are of course used to shooting on a particular set. So shooting at home and with only, you know, each other, two people. How was it? Did you all face any difficulties?
It requires a lot of work because like you said, we are used to having a team doing everything for us. तो जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि वो कैमरा लगाते थे, फिर बहुत सारे रीशूट्स होते थे हमारे. इनफैक्ट देयर सर्टेन पोर्शन वी रीशॉट अगेन वंस द एडिटर सॉ बिकॉज यू नो उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से थोड़ा फ्रेमिंग ठीक नहीं था. So we learned a lot of
Well, it was actually very, very difficult to shoot alone. It's not easy. बहुत मेहनत की. Even though, you know, we are professionals and, you know, we've been working since so many years. We do understand a lot of aspects, but still it was very, very difficult to shoot it. But we made it happen.
Yeah. So a lot of fans are, you know, constantly sending questions about Kaha To Tha and about other things also. So one fan here, Ria, is asking, are you all working with another projects as well? I think she means such short films, more of these films.
Well, there are two scripts which we have, and we are still you know, contemplating. One is and that's one is
Okay.
horror, one is thriller. So there are these two things which we are working on. We've not finalized yet, but we'll soon lock something and start shooting.
Okay, that's great. And what about your projects? Because there are several fans who want to know that once the lockdown's over, what are the new projects, or you know, you will be resuming some old ones which were already signed. Talk about that.
So there is one music video that we shot just before the lockdown. That I think थोड़ा सा काम बाकी है उस पे. So once this lockdown gets over and you know people start working again, I think that's the first thing that's going to be out with both of us. And apart from that, I think your Gujarati.
Yeah, and that is one thing which is going to be out. Then there's one Gujarati film which you know, I just finished my first Gujarati film called
Okay.
Who Mari Wife, Neo Husband. We shot extensively in London and Birmingham, and Johnny Wise.
No problem.
So Johnny Wise part of it, Brajesh Shirji, Isha Kantara, a very dear friend of mine, Paritosh Painters, actually produced it. So that's one film which is almost ready and which should be out once the lockdown eases out. There's also one other short film which I've been part of, called tentatively titled called Putradan, which again one of the you know, student filmmaker randomly sent me an email saying that, sir, I have a very good short film idea. Will you act in it? And I really liked it. So I've actually acted and produced in that short film. So a couple of things looking forward to after the lockdown.
Okay, that's perfect. So Sona here is asking that what will be the first thing that both of you will do once the lockdown is lifted?
A lot of people ask us that. I think for me, the first thing I'm going to go and meet my parents and my puppy Happy, whom I miss a lot.
You know, I'll actually, you know, it's, you know, the lockdown has been put by the government, you know, and something like this has never happened before to anyone. So nobody really knows what and when this thing will get over. Even if the lockdown eases or khatam hota hai, coronavirus is still around. So it's not that government ने बोला कि 12 तारीख को या 14 जब भी है ये lockdown खत्म हो रहा है, you can just go out and do what you want to do. No, you have to be responsible enough. You have to understand that government can only do that much. At the end of the day, it's up to us that, you know, how we safeguard ourselves, our friends, family, and everybody else. So, I mean, it's not that lockdown khatam hua to bahar jao, party karo, ye karo, wo karo.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just that I feel sometimes very bad for the government and sad for the government because they can't do anything more than this, you know. And it's not that, you know, they know that, you know, ये करने से ये होता है नहीं, सब experiment कर रहे हैं, you know. कोई कहता है कि लॉकडाउन करना ही नहीं चाहिए था, बेटर है. कोई बोलता है कि ज्यादा करना चाहिए. Nobody knows क्योंकि ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि, you know, ये करना चाहिए. So we just have to be positive and optimistic. And yes, once the lockdown is over, we have to be like really, really careful.
True, that's true. Okay, so Chatwani Manoj here is asking, will you continue making such short films after the lockdown is over? I think people have actually, Yeah. So.
Hi, Chatwani Manoj. He's actually the writer of our short film.
Hi.
Oh, okay. And I'm constantly reading like messages. People actually want to see either a part 2 or they want to see more short films. So
So you
that's
asked us
what they're
earlier.
constantly
So you asked us earlier, किसका idea था? Actually, it was Manoj, Bobby. हम लोग उनको बुलाते हैं. तो मनोज का idea था. So Bobby, everybody wants a part 2. So now you have
Yeah.
to sit down and write something really nice. Please go back to your writing board, to your laptop, and start writing.
Definitely, you know,
Okay.
after this, we have realized that we really like doing this, you know, making videos, and it's creative instead of like a lot of. I think what I've realized is कि जब lockdown नहीं था, normal life था, बहुत time हम ऐसे waste करते थे by just being involved in things that don't really are important, not really important. And I think now, I think once this gets over, I'm really going to try and utilize my time and do something creative, you know, make something and not just say सिर्फ time pass करके waste हो गया. I'll try to make more videos for sure.
And also a lot of people nowadays are making TikTok videos, but आप दोनों की videos बहुत ही ज़्यादा funny होती है and it looks like very natural. So whose ideas are
Again,
those, you know, those big face and
you know,
it's
I
just
think
very nice.
Vatsal is very, very passionate about these videos also. You know, he will, like, sometimes he record, like, recently he have recorded something, but he's like, nah, you know, it needs some punch and he will reshoot it. So it's not just a TikTok video that we make. We put in a lot of hard work. Sometimes we're shooting for 5 hours and we completely scrap it and then reshoot it again. So I think that's why people also enjoy it, because you know we also send it to our friends and to see the reaction, and we take their inputs. Like our brother-in-law said that okay, you know, when it's not that funny, so we're like okay, let's do it again. So इतना hard work जाता है इसके अंदर, and all thanks to Vatsal. अगर if it was just me, I don't think so I would have done it.
And she's very cooperative. She actually does as I direct, so I'm very happy.
I know it, but I think it's Vatsal's ideas, and he's really like at it. कि नहीं करते हैं, अच्छा करते हैं, you know, make it more interesting.
So my whole idea is that कि अगर हमें कुछ भी करना है तो you know मेहनत से करना है, चाहे वो TikTok का वीडियो हो, चाहे ये short film हो, चाहे feature film हो, you know, whatever we are part of it, we have to make sure that you know we be very honest with it. So that's why you know even this TikTok videos, people think that you know बहुत easy है. नहीं, you know, like one of the videos which really got viral and people loved it, one of the Gujarati videos, you know, where you know she's asking खाने में क्या बनाऊं. You know, we started shooting at 10 in the night and सुबह 5 बजे तक हम लोग वो record कर रहे थे. So it's not really, I mean, you want to do it, you can do it in like, you know, 10 minutes, but we make sure that, you know, we put in so much of effort that when it comes out, people really like it. And, you know, I'm so happy कि, you know, आप लोगों को हमारे ये funny videos पसंद आ रहे हैं. हमने actually पहले कभी comedy किया नहीं. I mean, मैंने एक film की थी Paying Guests, उसमें थोड़ी बहुत कॉमेडी थी और ऋषिता ने पहले नहीं किया, तो हमने कभी ऐसे कॉमेडी किया नहीं है, बट we thought that let's just try it and let's see what happens. And as I said that we've been doing it with, you know, with honesty. हम लोग बड़ी मेहनत से और बड़ी, you know, honesty के साथ कर रहे हैं. That's the reason people are enjoying it. So thank you so much. Also one very interesting thing is that काफी लोग हमें मैसेज भेजते हैं वीडियोस देखने के बाद कि आजकल माहौल इतना tensed hai, you know, there's so much of sadness around, and with our videos, you know, we are able to, you know, bring a smile on their face.
It lights up the mood, true. Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, for us, it's a very proud moment, and, you know, we take a lot of pride in that at least through us, at home, we're still entertaining, you know, we are giving our best and we are making sure that we are entertaining you all.
That's great. So, Ishita, Anusha Peerbhi is here asking, Ishi Didi, when are you coming back to Telugu industry?
Abhi to, I don't know when you're going to start working again, but you know, I did one film in Telugu and one in Kannada, and I really enjoyed. I learned a bit of Telugu also. So definitely, if after this, you know, if I get a chance, if I get a good script, I would love to go back and work in any of the South languages.
Okay. And Vatsal, there are literally, I have lost the count, but there are so many people wanting, they're writing, please make Tarzan 2. So it's, I think, one of the most loved films.
Even I want Tarzan 2 to happen. It will happen. I will take your feedback and I will talk to the concerned people. I will talk to all the people involved in Tarzan, from the director to the producer to Ajay sir. I'm going to go and have a chat with all of them and say that, listen, it's time to make Tarzan 2.
Yeah, true. Also, I want to know this from both of you. There's this trend in Bollywood, which is now very famous, that people are, of course, like people are wanting you to make Tarzan 2. There are so many people who are actually remaking old films. So, what is your take on that?
I mean, my take, I think if something is great, you should make it. You know, if the story and script is nice, then you should make it. Why not? There's no harm in recreating content. So I'll give you an example. For example, this TikTok videos, you know, जो आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं हमारे, we are actually inspired from others. Like a lot of videos are actually a remake of other people's videos.
Yeah.
So it's about that. You know, if something is interesting, you like it, and you think that you can better it, you must do it. And as I said, it's a small example like TikTok videos. We watch somebody's video and we like, अरे, it's very interesting. We should make it. But नहीं, हम लोग वो बैठे हैं, हम लोग खड़े रहेंगे, हम लोग ये करेंगे. And that's how we remake it. So I think it's all good.
Okay. And what about you, Ishita?
Yeah, I think I completely agree. Like, you know, there's certain people who like watching the old films as it is, but then there is also a newer generation audience who would probably want to see the same thing, but in a newer light with newer actors and with a different song. So I think it's absolutely cool to do that because some of them really are working very well.
Okay. And as I'm seeing here, there are like a lot of fans who love you as a couple, as an individual. So during this lockdown, you know, when you all have, of course, like little free, you all have gotten, do you get sort of more time to interact with all your fans as well?
Well, what we do is that, I mean, these are the interviews. I think every second, third day we have an interview going on, and that's how we interact or we send a message to fans. And apart from that, we read everybody's comments and we realize that what they want. Everybody's right now looking for us to make new content, more content. So that is what we are doing.
I think that's the thing, you know. Every morning when I get up, I see, you know, the comments, the tags. They make collages, and I think I love it because I think that's their way of showing love and appreciation to us, and it's our duty, I think, to make more content for them. So that's why we get up in the morning and we're like, okay, you know, every single day we need to just like put out some video or something for them. So I think, yeah, during this time we definitely have interacted with our fans the most as compared to earlier.
That's great. So lastly, I want you to, you know, there are so many people, they are sending love to you too. So one message for all your fans who are watching this.
Thank you, all of you, for your love and your support. And it's a request. I know I've said it a lot of times, but I'll say it again, that please be safe, be at home, follow all the rules and regulations that are set by our government. Even if you're going out, please maintain social distancing. If you see somebody not following it, you must go and tell them. At the same time, you know, keep your distance and be safe. And we love you.
Exactly. The thing is that times are tough. Times are tough for everyone. Everybody's aware. Everybody's watching the news. It's not happening in your house or in your city or your country. It's happening all over the world. It's quite a sad situation. But we should all be positive and optimistic and try and create opportunity from this. You know, famous कहावत है ना कि नया दरवाजा खुल जाता है. So just be positive and optimistic and just fight it out. क्योंकि ये कोरोना वायरस जो है वो भी एक दिन खत्म हो जाएगा और वो बहुत जल्द खत्म हो जाएगा. We just have to be strong and optimistic.
Okay. Thank you so much, you two, for chatting with us. It was great. And we will be waiting for Kaha To Tha Part 2, like everyone else. So please make it.
Yes, for sure. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.